At 10:33 a.m., LaGuardia Tower advises TWA of traffic off to its right. No one realizes it, but the United DC-8 is heading straight for them. Then, 7 seconds later, as both planes approach 5,000, there's a brutal collision. One of the DC-8's engines tears through the fuselage of the Super Connie. The TWA plane breaks into pieces and goes down on the spot, crashing in Staten Island's Miller Airfield. But the United jet manages to stay aloft for 8.5 more miles until it's over Park Slope, Brooklyn, where Tom Regan, then 20 years old, is standing on the street.
I crossed the street at 7th Avenue and Sterling Place, just stepping on the corner, when I heard a loud whine. And when I turned around, the wing of the plane, United Airlines, was catching into the roof of the building that I had just left. And there was a tremendous explosion. Immediately I dropped to the ground, and then moments after that there was a second explosion. Bang! Just everything exploded. And now the whole place was on fire. I stayed on the ground for what I thought seemed to be a long time, but I believe it was only several seconds. And I jumped up and I ran, and I never looked back.